Yes.
My lord, I pray for a listing on Monday, my lord. What bail application? There is and one criminal revision, my lord.
After
Where
Bihu. Revision
but
after.
my lord will give me after review just 10 seconds, my lord. 4 months conviction, my lord. And this gentleman has been arrested already 1 month. Only 2 minutes I'll take issue notice and suspension of sentence, my lord. Nothing more.
On 5th. On 5th. Yes.
May please, Lordship, the one is the withdrawal Lordships and Monday Lordships. And
One is withdrawn.
withdrawal.
Yes.
And one is a regular bill on next week.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship, I wish to mention one bill application, Lordship. It was filed long before it has been already numbered also. So for Monday.
Yeah, please, your lordship, my lord, I beg to mention item 24, my lord, order of my lord. I am for respondent, my lord, because for cancellation of bail, my lord, has been filed by the IO, my lord. So, my lord, I will file reply, my lord. My lord,
No. Who's the who PP?
Yes, my lord. In this case, my lord, the state has filed this, my lord, application for cancellation of bail, my lord.
Any objection?
my lord, reply will file, my lord.
Yes.
Mr.
S.S. Sikdar, my lord.
S.H. Shikdal and counsel appearing for the respondent prays for any grant, prays for a week's time to file objection against the prayer made in the IS. Since Mr. P. Botakul, Learned APP Assam is present and does not have any objection to the prayer, same stands allowed. Let this matter be listed again after 10 days. In the meantime, objection, if any, be filed.
Hello.
May it please your lordship, I am praying for listing these two similar matter in admission column. Matter relates to non-payment of area salary.
When you want it,
Before Bihu vacation,
after Bihu. After Bihu. After Bihu, put a date, yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 10, my lord. In this matter, my lord, Mr. Rujit Dev was supposed to be appeared, but due to
What do you want? What do you want?
adjournment, my lord, after.
CD receipt, lordship.
CD is received. A prayer for adjournment has been made in this case on the ground that the arguing counsel is unavailable. Although the learned APP submits that the case diary has been received, yet in view of the prayer made by the petitioner's counsel, this matter stands passed over for the day. List again in the next week.
May please, Lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 16, my lord. CD was called for, my lord.
CD not received, lordship.
Petitioner is an interim.
Learned petitioner is in,
Interim, my lord.
Mr. Your name please?
S. Rahman.
S. Raman and counsel is present on behalf of the applicant. Ms. N. Das, Learned APP Assam submits that the CD as called for has not yet been received. In view of the above, let this matter be listed again after 3 weeks. Interim order passed earlier to continue.
Obligation. Development.
Lordship listing for withdrawal on Monday.
What matter?
Anticipated bail.
May I please your lordship, I pray for listing of a matter for hearing.
Hearing,
Yes, your lordship.
what matter?
To removal from service.
Go to the bench. This is criminal, civil and criminal matter bench. Mention before the bench.
Yes, your lordship. Obliged.
Yes.
May I please your lordship, 438 application, allegation under section 406, 468 and 471, lordship. Kindly see page 9. FIR is at page 9, lordship.
Case diary received.
Today's for motion, lordship.
We call for the case.
CD may be called. Lordship, lordship, the petitioner is the principal of that college, lordship. Lordship, one Rokibul Islam had taken admission in Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Academy in the year 2020-21 for class 8, lordship. Lordship, and the principal
You record his statement, we'll give him some protection. Your name, please?
M. Bora, lordship.
And Miss M. Bora, Learned counsel for the applicant.
Lordship,
You don't want. This application has been filed under section 438 of the CRPC, seeking pre-arrest bail, apprehending arrest in connection with Abhayapuri PS case number 128/2023, registered under section 406/468/471 of the IPC. It appears that the applicant is the principal of the school where an examinee by the name of Rokibul Islam has appeared twice in the HSLC examination by forging his birth certificate as well as admit card. Ms. Bora submits that your Bora, is it?
Yes, Lordship.
Ms. Bora submits that the applicant does not have any role to play in the matter. Ms. M. Das Learned APP Assam prays for some time to produce the case diary.
Third of May, Lordship, 3rd of May.
Madam, I call for the case diary fixing 3/5/2023. Heard on the prayer of interim PRS bill, having regard to the facts, etc., 30,000 one surety. Will record his statement within 2 weeks.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of SC Biswas. He is on leg, my lord, room 4 number 1. He's just coming.
Where is the FIR?
Page 17, Lordship.
Knowledge is concerned, you have 420 sections. Brief is also is not with me.
420.
Allegation is that
7.
we have sold one flat, knowing the fact that we have mortgaged the flat.
Lordship, the accused person have fraudulently sold out the flat to me, falsely promising that flat was free from all encumbrances and stated.
So this is a civil fraud,
Civil,
granting protection. Whose name should be recorded?
mine and
Your name.
D1, yeah.
I'm dismissing
Dismissing,
the application. Whose name should be recorded?
dismissing, SC Biswas, you are not kindly protection.
Dismissing SC Biswas, allowing your name.
No.
Make up your mind.
You know, let him come, Your Honor. Your Honor, it's dismissed, then the police is,
Sir, Mr. S. C. Biswas, learned counsel for the applicant. This application has been filed under so and so apprehended arrest in connection with case number so and so. Full stop.
Your Honor,
Here is the FIR. It appears that the allegation made in the FIR, it prima facie appears that the allegation made in the FIR raises a civil dispute in the nature of fraud. Be that as it may, Ms. M. Das, Learned APP Assam, prays for time till 3/5/2023 to produce the case diary. Call for the case diary fixing 3/5/2023. Pardon the prayer of 30,000 one surety. Will record his statement.
briefly.
Hello, may I please your lordship, my lord. Petitioner is working as a notary, my lord, in the office of, in the district and session judge of North Lakhimpur, my lord. He, my lord, authorized 2 documents, my lord, in the form of affidavit, my lord, which are duly, my lord, identify an advocate, my lord. And my lord, in fact, my lord, my name is not mentioned in the FIR, my lord. But the police is, my lord, searching me in connection with this case, my lord. Your lordship, come to the FIR, my lord. Page 17, my annexure to page 17. Hemchandra Gogoi, Manjusri Gogoi, Tushar Gogoi, so and so, my lord. The informant back to state that opposite party B co-partner have sold one kotha below schedule postal land in 1, 2, and 3 by cheating and obtaining force NOC without partition and without informing the informant. The sale deed of the said bidul came to the knowledge of the informant when they filed the RTI. In
8/5, 30,000 one surety.
yes, sir.
Here is the FIR first, that much.
Made this much. My lord, a 17-year-old girl fell in love with a 19-year-old boy. And after 5 months, the sister-in-law lodges this FIR at page number 8. After 5 months, my lord. Now the girl is in the house of in her parental house, my lord. Admittedly, she was in love, 17 years and 19 years. The boy is also a teenager.
You produce the case diary, so and so for the applicant, so and so, you write all these things. Here is the FIR, which discloses that the missing girl was aged about 17 years and she had eloped with her paramour Full stop. The girl has been recovered.
Yes, the girl is with the parent.
Mr. Biswas submits that the girl has already returned to her parents. Full stop. Rest of the things 8-5. 30,000 one local share.
Deeply obliged.
May I proceed, please? For 39 application, my lord. The petitioner
Where is the FIR?
behind the bar since 47 days, my lord.
Where is the FIR?
Page 10.
Yes, case diary.
My case there is available, my lord. In this case, my lord, the accused is engaged as a caretaker, my lord, of the informant's mother, my lord, and the branch manager of Central Bank of India, my lord, and another Apex Cooperative Bank, my lord. They have identified this person that he has came and taken away the money, my lord. And moreover, my lord, the accused has also stated, his statement is there, my lord. He has taken away the checks from different check books, my lord. He has accepted it, my lord.
But money has been recovered.
My lord, money has not been, my lord. Account detail is there. It is taken away, my lord.
This is a bad thing, social.
Considering detention.
No, what
period,
considering? He was asked to take care of aged people and he steals their money and you want consideration, sympathy. Huh?
47 days, my lord, since behind the bar.
How far is the investigation?
My investigation is going on, my lord. Whether it is recovered or not, it is not stated here, my lord.
Then you tell us. Let him be there for another 1 week.
Hmm.
Heard Mr. So-and-so for the applicant, also heard Mr. K.
K.K.
Das, learned APP Assam, who has produced the case diary. However, the case diary does not disclose as to whether the amount allegedly stolen by the applicant by means of by committing fraud has already been recovered or not. On the request of Mr. Das, learned APP Assam, this matter is directed to be posted again on 10th of April 2023 as a fixed item, so as to enable him to obtain instruction as notice above. We'll see. Otherwise, I will have to reject your bail application. These are not matters we'll take lightly.
Obliged.
We'll not send a signal that these are.
And CD available.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, I am in jail for 24 days today, my lord.
Where
I
is
have
the
been arrested on 6/3, my lord, and 40 on 7/3.
Where is the FIR?
Only a mobile phone has been stolen as per the FIR, my lord, list of the stolen property, my lord. I am a water delivery boy, my lord. I went to the house, my lord. Incident took place on 3/3, and when I went to their house for delivery of water, my lord, some people caught me and handed over to police. Suspected to be I am the theft. I committed a theft. But also similar, page 9 is
What
the
is that?
other, my lord.
What is there in the case?
My lord, in this case there is also, my lord, their CCTV footage is there, my lord. One of the neighbor has also stated here, my lord, that he has seen this person, delivery boy, my lord, on 3/3, my lord, that is there, my lord. And on the 6th, 3 days after, the nearby people caught him and apprehended, my lord. And in his statement is there also, my lord, accused persons. He has stated that he has gone to one of the house and stolen, my lord.
He said he has stolen.
My lord.
Show me the statement. But stolen a mobile,
No, my lord,
Mobile,
cash,
yeah.
cash is also there, my lord.
huh?
Cash.
But in the 25,000. So he has admitted that he has stolen.
my lord.
All right, but then
2024
why
I-
why have you to submit a charge sheet then? What is the reason for delay? You say that he has stolen. He said that
Well-
I have stolen.
My lord.
Then after that, why charge sheet is not submitted?
Perhaps
The
money
other
has not been
people,
recovered,
huh?
my lord. Perhaps money has not been
No,
recovered
no, no, not from his possession, my lord. Nothing is recorded from his possession, my lord.
because he has stolen.
Even
my
not a
lord.
mobile.
No, if money is not recovered, charge sheet cannot be submitted.
No, my lord, it can be,
Why charge sheet is not?
but it
been
is not written here, my lord. Yeah.
You tell us why charge sheet has not been submitted. We'll have it on 4th.
My lord.
Otherwise, we'll let him go on
Fine.
4th. On 4th, yes. Either charge sheet or he is out.
I'm trying to quote.
Huh?
Actually, my lord, this stolen property has not been recovered from his possession, my lord.
That's all right, but he has admitted.
That's right.
Counsel for the applicant also have Mr. K.K. Das and the APP Assam House Rates for posting this matter again on 4th of 2023 so as to obtain instruction and appraise this court as to whether charge sheet has already been submitted in this case, and if not, the reason thereof, particularly in view of the fact that the accused has apparently admitted to have stolen the amount from the house of the informant. List the case accordingly. If charge sheet is not submitted for whatever reason, then we'll consider his prayer for bail.
May I please, your lordship, city was called for, my lord.
City not available.
My lord, 39 days behind the bar, vehicle was recovered, not from me. It was found parking on the roadside. And my lord, what happened interestingly, the case is that one Abhishek has purchased a motorbike by giving a down payment. The allegation is that he has sold it without paying the installment, my lord. So it is out and out a civil dispute, my lord. Anyway, my 39 days behind the bar, and I have been shown arrest in 2-3 cases, my lord.
My lord,
Where is the FIR?
FIR is page 11, my lord. Can you see? Page 11. It is respectfully submitted that on 17 to 23, in the morning about 3-4 a.m., KATM Duke number motorcycle registration number such and such, which was parked at the 10th mile place, along with that another motorcycle Enfield at registration number such and such, and one belonged to Simonto Borua, 10th mile, was stolen, and despite the searching of the lot, I could not find any traces. This is there, madam. 379 is there, madam. So 39 days, madam, vehicle was recovered. I am no way connected. My name is not there. CD was also not produced.
IO stated that he was hospitalized, my lord. He is on hospital. my
But
lord.
that,
Who is hospital?
IO.
Then let him go. We'll see. But Mr. S.C. Surveillant Counsel for the petitioner. There was the FIR dated 17 to 2023. First of, it appears that the applicant hearing was arrested on 20 to 2023 in connection with Basista PS case number 96/2023, registered under section 379 of the IPC. And since then, he is in jail. Mr. Biswas submits that his client is not named in the FIR and the stolen vehicle has already been recovered. First of, by order dated 23/2023, case diary was called for. But today, when the matter is called up, Mr. Das submits that the case diary is not available since the IO is hospitalized. First of, the learned APP also could not indicate as to by which time the case diary will be produced. First of, in view of the above and considering the fact that the stolen vehicle has already.
PGM Common Metro.
I am of the view that the applicant has made out a good case for considering his prayer for release on bail. And more so, considering that he has been in custody for more than.
CGM Kamru Metro,
Custody for more than
39 days.
39 days as on date. Wisdom. As such, it is hereby ordered that the applicant name is so and so shall be released on bail on furnishing a bond of ₹30,000 and one local surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup M.
Yes.
Amrut M. Subject to the further condition that he should not leave the jurisdiction of the IO without prior intimation. The Bail application is done.
But item 8 is also same case shown arrested. Same accused.
Let us see.
8, it was called for.
She did not available, not available.
Same IO, same. No name in the FIR, my lord. This different man, my lord.
It will be removed. The
FIR name is Abhishek Das.
petitioner was shown arrested on 26/2/2023 in connection with Vasishtha PS case number 14/2023, registered under section 120 bracket B bracket close /406/420 IPC, pertaining to the same incident,
Same address.
pertaining to the same incident in the section with another case being a other case too. So and so was registered. Full stop. The petitioner has already been enlarged on bail in connection with other case number. Same substance. Mr.
Same FIR, not same FIR, my lord. It has been shown arrested in another case.
Can you write?
Factual matrix is same. Relating to theft and from 26 to
Then
section is
rest of the
420.
Submissions will be same. IO is not available, etc., etc. How many days in custody?
39 days.
39 days.
My lord, annex, page 8 is the annex, FIR, my lord. And he was shown arrest on 27/2/2022, 23. Then, my lord, the persons who were arrested in connection with this case, they were released on bail after 38 days. Annex 2 page 14, my lord.
Co-accused have been released on bail.
The person,
Co-accused persons have been granted bail.
yes,
Then
regarding 33 days, I am.
Regarding that, my lord, regarding the present accused, my lord, I would like to, my lord, point out, my lord. Because, my lord, in this case, my lord, FIR is lost that, my lord, one MS baseband were regarding theft of MS baseband, my lord. MS baseband is, my lord, attached with mobile tower, value of which is 2,70,000, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, during investigation, my lord, police, my lord, initially first arrested one Aslafur Islam, my lord, on the basis of his statement, one Mehdi Alam. Thereafter, my lord, one Rizwan Malik. And from the statement of one Rizwan Malik, my lord, it revealed that, my lord, he, first, my lord, Ashraful Aslam, he is actually, my lord, involved in all types of installation of mobile towers, my lord. And, my lord, he installed all those baseband. Thereafter, my lord, he provided information to, my lord, to another co-accused, my lord. Then both of them, my lord, together, my lord, committed this theft, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, they sold it to, my lord, Rizwan Malik, and Rizwan Malik transported to the present accused. Present accused, my lord, belongs from Delhi, my lord, Delhi, Silampur, my lord. The third accused, my lord, Rizwan Malik, transported all these, my lord, baseband to Silampur to the present accused person. The present accused person is already in Tihar jail regarding the same type of offences, my lord.
He was
On
released.
being,
He
yes,
was released, but he was shown
Uh,
arrest in this case.
in this
On
case,
the
my lord,
protection warrant, he has been,
Uh,
page 14. All the things have been mentioned in the order, my lord.
yes.
By this novel, page 14.
Mainly, he is the main purchaser of all these stolen articles, my lord, the present accused person.
My
And from
statement is recorded.
his statement also recorded, from his statement, my lord, it revealed that from a auto, my lord, who is in which he was travel, probably, my lord, may Delhi police वो सामान दिल्ली पुलिस ने एक ऑटो में बेसबैंड my lord पकड़ा था वो सामान उसने तो my lord statement of the, my lord, from the statement of the present accused, it revealed that he was arrested in a Delhi case regarding the same baseband case. My lord, one MS baseband was recovered from his possession. So, my lord, from the case diary, my lord, there is a voluminous case diary, my lord, police has thoroughly investigated the entire case, and during investigation, it reveals that altogether, my lord, 186 cases of MS baseband, my lord, which is attached with mobile tower, my lord, already registered in the state of Assam, my lord. And MS baseband is, my lord, the valuable parts of a mobile tower, which also, my lord, in case of, my lord, here the utility of this, my lord, MS baseband is that in case of, my lord, my lord, disruption of this MS baseband, my lord, mobile connectivity also, my lord, disrupts, my lord.
Page 14, my lord. All things has been mentioned.
And, my lord,
The bail order.
and this is an interstate gang, my lord, only because co-accused is
Correct.
granted bail, my lord. That is not a ground, my lord, same type
Yellow
of
Sakali,
authority
page
to be
14.
regarding the present accused.
Everything has
Because-
been mentioned. That person was arrested in several cases. After 38 days, he was released on bail. And all the accused persons are released on bail.
Because my lord,
I
this
have
type
been
of,
sworn arrest here, my lord.
because this type
I
of
am now
market
no
survives,
involved in this case, my lord.
because my lord, this type of market survives because of the existence of this type of
So
parcel.
we'll face the trial, my lord, now. The case 14 is, this novel court already mentioned.
This is called base band.
Base bin, yes, MS base bond, my lord, value as per FIR, base value is of 2,70,000. MS, it is the important part of the mobile tower, which in case of my lord, any defect of that base band, my lord, probably entire mobile connectivity, my lord, drops, my lord.
FIR is page.
The base 8, my lord.
Base bird.
Yes, my lord.
What is base bird or base band?
Yes, here, my lord, base part in the FIR, but then everywhere in the, my lord, other parts of the, my lord, city and for a base band, my lord, it is written, and in Google also, I have seen that is written as base band, my lord. Base part, that is only in the FIR.
Mr. Ahmed, it's difficult because it appears that there is an interstate racket.
My lord, page 14 is just page 14, my lord. I admitted my friend's submissions, but you lost at this page 14. All the things that you mentioned in the earlier bail applications, those persons were arrested red-handed. But I am living in Delhi, my lord. I am.
That's why your case is different.
Yes.
You lost page 14 by this order. The PP Bhattacharya has raised serious objection, my friend, stating that there are cognate materials in case diary against the petitioner. The petitioner operating along with his gang of associates in organized manner, and his network is spread out throughout the entire country in dealing with the stolen articles. In case the petitioner granted well, he will be insulted against the investigation, which may be adversely affected because there are allegations petitioners involvement in the several other cases. The FIR unfolds so PM so. There are indeed cognate materials case against this petitioner. The petitioner is also resident of Uttar Pradesh. The petitioner was earlier arrested in connection with
So it was length of detention, that's all.
not only less. My he is 38 days, I am 30 days.
My lord, otherwise, my objection is that in this type of
Only the
cases, my lord, because
Not at this stage. When you
Yeah.
come later, heard Mr. J. Amel and counsel for the applicant
My lord,
also heard.
Let it fix on 5, then at 38 days, it will. Let it matter fix on 5, my lord, and that they will also consider.
Five
Five.
order I'll dismiss today, sir. After 7, we can consider.
My lord.
So 11th, on the prayer of Mr. J.
11, I
Amel,
will not.
12th.
12, my lord.
J. Amel and counsel for the petitioner also heard Mr. P. Bhattacharya and APP Assam who submitted that he has received the case. Be that as it may, on the request of Mr. Ahmed, this matter is adjourned and shall be listed again on 12th of April 2023 as a fixed item. The case that will be retained till then.
Otherwise, my lord,
We'll see.
all the persons are released on bail after 30 days,
We'll see.
38 days, my lord.
See, all the personal
I have been sworn arrest, that is why.
is a relevant consideration. But then the courts will have to take note of the fact that there are allegations of interstate rackets. How is the police? going to figure
They
out?
say I am passes, I passes. This is
That's bad. That's bad.
hello, like.
Right, 12.
only because they are the parcels, because of that, my lord, market exists, my lord. Because of the.
Then, my lord, case diary not received today, my lord. He's an interim, my lord.
Mr. S.K. Mohammed Lan, counsel for the applicant is present. Mr. K.K. Parasal and Vyasam submits that case that he has called for has not yet been received. In view of the above, let this matter be listed again after 3 weeks. Interim order passed earlier to continue.
2nd of May, my lord.
All right, then on 2nd of May. For case diary.
Please lordship, my lord, 438 bail application, my lord.
12 also, my lord, CD not received from Thubri. But here he is not interim, no?
Not interim. I am not in interim.
He is not in
Allegation
interim, my lord.
What is the
allegation is 341, 354, and 506. Only 354 is the not available, my lord.
where is the FIR?
FIR is page 10, my lord. Allegation brought, my lord, the obstruction, the daughter of the Azhar my lord, in the way of the school, my lord.
Girl is 15 years.
But there is in their co-villagers, my lord, there is a land dispute and that false FIR has been lost against the petitioner. To only for Herald.
Why if case study has not been?
My lord, yes, my lord, on 3 occasions, on 20th of February, 14th of March and 24th of March, on 3 occasions we have sent the signal. But till then, my lord,
Last chance on 4th to
My-
produce CD.
In
So and so learned counsel for the applicant on the request of Mr. KK Parasar learned APP Assam who submits that the case diary has not yet been received. This matter is directed to be posted again on 4/4/2023.
Four.
So as to
Last
give
one.
one final opportunity to learned APP Assam to produce the case diary. If no case diary comes
Ma-
next
my-
day, we'll.
my lord,
we will grant him.
in the interim has been given, my lord.
Next
Otherwise, my
matter,
lord.
please.
starting CD received, my lord.
Lordship, for 30 application, Lordship, FIR is based 10 Lordships.
Hmm.
Petitions are on interim, they appeared Lordships.
Where is the FIR?
Case 10 is the FIR.
Both the person appear, my lord, statement recorded, my lord. They are cooperating, my lord.
Heard Mr.
M. Hawk.
M.
Hawk, Lordship.
M. Hawk Planet Council for the applicant. There was the FIR dated 11/8/2022. Apprehending arrest in connection with
Sipadhar
Sipadhar PS case number so and so. Registered under section so and so of the IPC. The applicant has approved this, applicants have approved this court. Apprehending for a seeking pre-arrest bail. Full stop. Mr. KK Parasar, learned APP Assam has produced the, by order dated 22/2/2023. This court had granted interim pre-arrest bail to both the applicants. Full stop. Mr. KK Parasar, learned APP Assam has produced the case diary. After perusing of the case diary, perusing the case diary, it appears that statement of both the applicants have already been recorded by the IO. Full stop. After perusal of the case diary, I do not find any justifiable ground to modify the interim order dated 22/2023. The said order is therefore made absolute. Bail of AB stands anticipatory bail application stand disproved.
Final report submitted, no case, my lord. Final report.
Final report submitted, heard Mr. Answer Learned Counsel, A. Sahar Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. KK Parasar Learned
FR number 6/23.
APP Assam who submits that final report bearing FR number
6/23
6/23
dated 28/2/2023.
28/2/2023 has been submitted in this case. If that be so, this anticipatory bail application has become infructuous and the matter is closed.
15.
Lordship, the FIR against which the petition has been
Did you
filed is
receive?
in
Yes, my lord, case diary received. my lord.
page number 62, Lordship. FIR. Lordship. Lordship, in connection with Barpeta PS case number 485, 110 numbers of goats were seized. And subsequently, it has been kept in the Gosala of Dhyan Foundation, Lordship. And
120 number of votes.
goats, Lordship. the case was registered under section 11 of amongst other sections, section 11 of Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. And subsequently, those seized cattle were given to the custody of Dhyan Foundation for care and maintenance lots. But thereafter, lots without getting the Dhyan Foundation as because it has been handed over to the owners, the Dhyan Foundation approached the Honorable High Court, and subsequently that criminal petition got dismissed. But in the meantime, for various viral infection, altogether 86 numbers of goats died. Lots of that report we have annexed.
So, this applicant is from Telangana.
Telangana also.
What is his connection with this incident?
My lord, probably, my lord, he is now taking care of the Dhyan Foundation, which is situated at the present place, my lord.
At the relevant point of time, he was the in charge of that particular Gosala also. Dhyan Foundation is an
And the
animal.
goats have been found in the Gosala.
Goats has been seized by the police and kept with the police in the custody of the Dhyan Foundation.
That is as per court direction, my lord. Those, my lord, goats were, my lord, handed over to the Dhyan Foundation for taking care of during pendency of the litigation. Thereafter, my lord, there are lot of series of allegations regarding the present case. Out of, my lord, lastly, my lord, one criminal civil, my lord, revision petition is also, my lord, pending. In that case, my lord, also lastly, my lord, Honorable High Court has ordered to release all those, my lord, goats and sheep which were, my lord, seized to the original owners.
So, but why do you
And
want?
the present, regarding the present case, I am not concerned with all those litigation, but regarding the present case, one of the owner, my lord, he has, my lord, filed this FIR making allegation that while those, my lord, goats were kept in custody in the Dhyan Foundation, at that point of time, the present accused person has tried to shift those, my lord, goats to another place by way of, my lord, so the allegation is of theft of those, my lord, that is, my lord. Otherwise, he appeared before the, my lord,
Heard
I
Mr.
have
D.
statement
Dasan,
recorded.
counsel for the applicant, also heard Mr. P. Botaku, learned APPSM appearing for the state. By filing this application under section 438 of CRPC, the applicant has approached this court seeking pre-arrest bail, apprehending arrest in connection with Howley PS case number 91/2022, registered under section similarly so and so. By the order dated 24/2/2023, the applicant was granted interim pre-arrest bail by this court. First of Mr. Botakur has produced the case diary. It appears that the only allegation against the applicant is to
My lord, one other allegation was also there that during, my lord, as per the honorable court's order, he has obstructed the investigating officer to enter inside the, my lord, Dhyan Foundation premises. That is also another allegation.
the primary allegation against the applicant is that he had a role to play in shifting some of the goats which were kept in the custody of Dhyan Foundation, is it?
Yes.
Dhyan Foundation. And had also obstructed the IO from this, obstructed the police from discharging its duties. First up, it appears that the statement of the applicant has already been recorded. First up, there is nothing incriminating in the case that justify modification, which justifies the modification of the order dated 24/2/2023. Passed in this case. In view of the above, the said order is made absolute. Anticipatory bail application stands disposed of.
And it
What will you do with arresting these people?
Yes, my lord.
There are other bigger things to do.
Yes.
Tell your police.
Yes.
and it
Well, 17 and 20 are of same FIR as I have been now. 17 I am appearing, but in this case, in time is there, madam. 420,
CD is there, man.
42406, madam. Very big page 8, you also will see the FIR. Very big allegation, madam, that one lady is filing that she has given rupees 8 lakh for a job, for her husband's job. When it was given, for what job it was given, nothing is a very big allegation, madam. And I am simply PW contractor, madam.
Yes. No, see, since last more than 3-4 decades,
my lord,
repeatedly information has been circulated that paying money to someone for job is itself is an offense.
my lord,
We have no sympathy, even if it is a fact.
my lord,
Why did she pay money to someone? And we don't even know whether it has been paid or not.
my lord.
This matter. What is there in the case?
In the CD, my lord, one of the witnesses have stated that
Hmm.
she was present
Hmm.
at the time when money was given, my lord, 8 lakhs
Hmm.
for my lord giving job.
Hmm.
Moreover, my lord, the second,
So what is the offense here?
my lord,
Money was voluntarily given.
Civil.
my lord,
What is the offense? Which section has been?
my lord, moreover,
406.
my lord, moreover, one of the, it is stated that accused has accepted, my lord. That,
All right.
my lord,
If X gives money to Y accepts it.
my lord.
How is it? Where is the allegation that that was done with the idea of initial deception?
My lord. 420 is.
Huh?
My lord, sections at AR, here are FIR 420 and 406, my lord.
That's right. So is there any allegation that when the money was taken,
My lord.
the accused knew that he cannot give a job or he never had the intention of giving a job?
No, my lord.
Initial deception is not there.
My lord, but one of the witness, my lord, what is there in the CD, my lord, it is stated that the person also, he has talked to another person who has been deceived in the same way, my lord,
So that's all right.
my lord,
But the law says that it will be a 420 offense
my lord,
if it is
Initial
done with
deception.
the idea of initial
Initial deception.
deception.
my lord,
Correct.
my lord,
That allegation is not there.
my lord.
So how do you make it an offense private under the IPC? That's the question I'm asking.
Mm.
Maybe she has paid money.
my lord.
She has paid money on these things, then it is for her to suffer. Or let her file a civil suit.
Mm.
Anyways, heard Mr. H.H. Chaudhary and Senior Counsel for the applicant, also heard Mr. K.K. Das, learned additional PPRs appearing for the state. Have you understood? You have anything to say?
My lord, nothing, but
It is
only
a
one,
interstate dispute between the two.
my lord.
But where is the ingredient of a criminal offense? That's what I'm saying.
Just, I want to,
Cognizable.
only one thing, my lord, that the person Abdul Matlib, he is also teacher, my lord.
You are probably not understanding the query.
My lord.
X
Ingredients.
asks money for Y, that I will give you the moon.
Mhm,
Y believes and gives it to X.
mhm,
Fine.
my lord,
Then the X fails to give him the moon.
my lord,
Then X will be liable to repay the money.
my lord,
That's one thing.
my lord.
But to make it a criminal offense,
Ingredients.
the allegation has to be that he
Initial
knew
deception.
that he could not have given the money.
My lord,
And this is why I say
Right.
so. Where is that ingredients?
my lord, that is not.
H.R. Chaudhary and Senior Counsel, so and so, so and so. Mr. K.K. Das, learned IPC Assam, for the state. By filing his application under section 438 CRPC, the applicant, namely so and so, has approached this court seeking pre-arrest bail, apprehending arrest in connection with Lakhipur PS case number 43/2023, registered under section 420/406/34 of the IPC. After taking note of the allegations made in the FIR as well as the materials on record, this court by order dated 3/3/2023 has granted interim pre-arrest bail to the applicant by laying down certain conditions therein. Full stop. Mr. Das has produced the case diary. Full stop. I have perused the same. Full stop. From the materials in the case diary, there is nothing to prima facie indicate initial deception on the part of the applicant. Full stop. Therefore, this court is of the opinion that there is no justifiable ground to modify the order dated 03/03/2023. The said order is accordingly made absolute. Anticipatory bail application stands. And the other matter, which is the other matter?
Item 20, my lord. My
Item
learned
20.
friend is.
Write his name, same order.
Only interim order is 15.
Interim order dated 15/3.
Obliged to you.
8 lakh rupees could have been used to do a business and contribute to the GDP.
My lord,
This is the mindset of people, they will suffer.
my lord.
May I please, your lordship?
18 lordship, CD not received lordship, interim is there lordship.
Mr. KK Henry, learned counsel for the applicant is present. Ms. M. Das, learned APP Assam submits that the case diary has not yet been received. In view of the above and on the request of the learned APP Assam, this matter is directed to be posted again on 4th of May 2023 for production of case diary. Interim order passed earlier to continue.
Item
19 also same lordship.
I'm on
City not
interim,
received.
ma'am.
Interim is
All
there.
right, Mr. J. Lavskar, and the best will be same. Rest will be same.
That please, your lordship.
Sorry, lordship, in 21 also CD not received, lordship, but interim is not there.
I have a small submission, lordship. Kindly come to page number, lordship, in para number 3 of my petition, lordship. The petitioner is a mason, lordship, and he is working under a contractor. And due to non-payment of bill, lordship, and subsequently he lost this FIR, lordship. Very clearly mentioned in para number 3, lordship. And if consider, lordship, interim protection may be given. And true fact I have stated.
So very soon,
Lordship.
all these things we will see in the computer in next 10 days time. There's something going to be launched very soon in Guwahati, Assam. After that, CDUD will be over. Everything will be displayed in the computer. Be prepared for that.
And lordship, and
This is Kamrup. Why you can't produce the case diary?
Also, we have sent the signal on 15-3, lordship.
One last chance on 5th, then we'll see anticipatory. Mr. So-and-so is present on behalf of the applicant. Ms. Andas, Learned Counsel, Learned APP Assam submits the case diary as called for has not yet been received. Be that as it may, on the request of Ms. Das, one final opportunity is granted to the IO to produce the case diary, fixing the matter on 5/4/2023. List the case accordingly.
published, published.
22 also same, lordship, CD not received, lordship.
We are not protected.
We have
lordship.
sent the signal, lordship, on 16th.
We are not protected, lordship.
Where is the FIR?
The FIR is the page number 9, lordship.
CD date to log.
And the actual fact is the page number 3, para 3, lordship.
Haila Gandhi, lordship, one last chance may be given.
In this matter, lordship, I am the driver, lordship. As per instruction, the owner of truck, I was good supply to one Sona Raju, lordship.
But till now, the accused person with truck have not raised there.
Where is the truck and the metal not yet recovered?
No, lordship, I am stated that, lordship, the instruction of the owner, I am delivered to goods or truck or one Sona Raju. If this honorable court.
All right, you wait for a few more days. We'll give them one chance to get the case ready. You produce it on 19th April.
Lordship, if this honorable court protected me, I will appear the IO and cooperate with
Lordship,
IO. Then
not
You need a
recover.
statement. Without that, what will you investigate?
Lordship, that is.
Let him record a statement, get this case ready, then we'll see.
Lordship.
All right, heard Miss
A Begum.
E. Begum, Learned Counsel for the applicant. Also heard Miss Andas, Learned APP Assam appearing for the state. This application has been filed under section 438 CRPC. Apprehending arrest in connection with Lala PS case number 52/2023. Registered under so and so, so and so, so and so. the allegation against the applicant is that he went missing along with a truck. The applicant, while serving as a driver of the vehicle, went missing with a truckload of betel nut, whereafter he had sold the same. Full stop. However, the learned counsel for the applicant submits that her client had delivered the goods to a person as per the instruction of the owner of the vehicle. Full stop. Be that as it may, Ms. Das submits that some more time will be required to produce the case diary. Full stop. Ms. Begum, on the other hand, has pressed for an order of interim protection with an assurance that her client would appear before the IO for recording his statement. Full stop.
On 28th of April, Lordship.
Uh, Having heard the learned counsel for both the sides, I am inclined to consider the prayer of interim bill. Full stop. As such, interim prayers bill as such, call for the CD fixing 28/4/2023. As an interim measure, it is provided that in the event of arrest, the applicant shall be released on bail on furnishing a bond of rupees 20,000 and one local surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authorities, subject to the further condition that within 10 days from today, the applicant will appear before the IO for recording his statement.
Deeply obliged.
Item 23.
May I please?
23, Lordship, CD not received, Lordship.
Lordship.
Interim is there, Lordship.
See, I am not on interim, Lordship.
Okay.
Can you see the FIR, Lordship? At page 13.
What is that why you want to show it?
Lordship,
The interim will continue till CD comes.
no interim, Lordship.
No interim.
No interim.
But here it is written in our. Okay.
All right, then you show no interim.
No interim, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, can you see the page 13 that I have sold my possessory right to the informant in last year, December. And thereafter, government had take decision to evict that area, Borbari area near Silsaku, and it was demolished. Thereafter, this case has been registered. And I genuinely don't know that this maybe or could be demolished or evicted. His petition number 1 is the husband, 2 is the wife, and 3rd is the younger brother.
Where is the case diary?
Lordship from Dispur PS, Lordship,
Dispur is
short date
separate.
may be. fixed.
And our statement may be recorded, Lordship. It is very
Lordship,
essential for the case there.
Why don't you record their statement and then
Yes, yes,
these
Lord.
are not.
The very
All
required.
right, you are Mr.
G. Fugon, Lordship.
Had Mr. G. Fukun, learned counsel for the applicant, also had Ms. N. Das learned APPSM, who submits that the case study has called for has not yet been received. Then by filing this application, making the apprehending arrest for it appears that the applicant had sold possessory right over a plot of land to the informant. First up. Thereafter, the informant was evicted from the said plot of land in the eviction drive carried out in Silsako Bill in the Kamrup district. Mr. Fukan submits that the applicant had bona fide sold his rights over the land and therefore he has been wrongly implicated in the criminal proceeding. First up. The learned counsel for the applicant has therefore pressed for an order of interim pre-arrest bail with an undertaking that his client would appear before the IO for recording a statement. First up. After hearing this submission of learned counsel for both the sides, this matter is directed to be posted again on 10th of May 2023 for case diary. First up. As an interim measure, it is provided that in the event of arrest, the applicant so and so shall be released on bail on furnishing a bond of rupees 30,000 and one local surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the condition that within 10 days from today, the applicant appears before the IO for recording a statement.
Deeply obsessed.
Supplementary list item 26.
CD received, Lordship.
May I please, your Lordship? 438 application, Lordship. This one name is not in the FIR, Lordship. FIR page 8, Lordship. Here in the allegation only is that two unknown person snatched away the mobile of the informant, Lordship. The allegation. FIR page 8, Lordship.
Why are you apprehending arrest? Where is the statement?
Lordship, page 3, para 4, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, petitioner is the mobile, he has a mobile repairing store, Lordship, namely Aryan Mobile Store, and he also sell one second-hand mobile. Lordship.
Lordship, police has seized two mobile phones from two persons, and as per their statement, they bought that mobile phone from the shop of this petitioner, Lordship.
Hmm.
And the police went there, Lordship, but could not trace him out, Lordship.
It is
Lordship,
through his-
he is also selling the Lordship. He may be purchased from the theft, Lordship.
Lordship, he has a mobile store. I have stated in para 4, Lordship. Lordship. No, Lordship.
No anticipatory bail.
Lordship.
These are taking menacing proportions.
No, Lordship. He has a mobile repairing store, Lordship. He has also sell second-hand mobile. And one
Why
of
is, if you deal in stolen property, not knowing that it's stolen property, you are equally liable.
he is not, that is the stolen
That
mobile.
that can't be. If that way, the law cannot take its course. Stolen property, you are liable. Whether you knew or you didn't know, that's the law. All right. Your name,
Mobile
please?
already recovered. Lordship.
Maybe, but why is it
May not be necessary, Lordship.
Not anticipatory bail. We'll see.
Kindly, Lordship.
Your name, please?
B. Islam, Lordship.
Heard Mr. B. Islam.
Kindly consider, Lordship.
Also heard.
Hospital interest may not be.
PP Assam appearing for the state who has produced the case diary. By filing this application under section 438 of the CRPC, after perusal of the case diary, I am of the view that this is not a fit case for granting the benefit of privilege of anticipatory bail to the applicant. The prayer for anticipatory bail therefore stands rejected. Application stands disposed of.
Lordship, I pray that the matter may kindly be taken up after vacation, Lordship. My senior is on leg in another court, Lordship.
No issue.
Mr. Your name?
M.R.
please?
Chaudhary.
Mr. M.R. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner seeks adjournment of the hearing of this case with a request to post the matter again after the Bihu vacation. Since the prayer is not opposed by Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Counsel for the respondent, same stands alone. Registered to list the case accordingly. That's all. Anybody for part two? There is no part two.